Hello, welcome to our channel. Today is December 27th, 2022.
So yeah, look at this car. Look at my car. Jeez.
Across the US, at least 62 people have died in weather-related incidents. In Buffalo, a state official said that military police are being brought in to help manage traffic in the city, where a driving ban remains in place. Looting has been reported in parts of the city during the emergency.
One more time.
The winter storm has also forced the cancellation of thousands of flights, including about 4,800 on Tuesday morning alone.
Oh, stop! Watch out! Get out of your car! In your car! Watch out! Exactly. Watch out, everybody.
Thousands of passengers have been left stranded at airports across the country. Conditions are now expected to improve, with very little snowfall on Tuesday and slightly warmer weather on the way. At a news conference on Tuesday, officials in New York's Erie County, which includes Buffalo, said that the death toll is expected to rise as search and rescue operations continue. The 28 confirmed dead were all in Buffalo. All of the numbers have not caught up at this time, Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown said. We know that the Erie County number is larger. More than 4,000 people in the area remain without power after the storm, which Mr. Brown said was probably the worst of most residents' lifetimes. At the peak of the storm, about 20,000 people were without power. Mr. Brown added that there had been an improvement in the city, with very little snowfall and an absence of whiteout conditions allowing officials significant progress as they clear vehicles and restore power. Officials warned that the warming temperatures in the region might lead to additional problems, including flooding as snow thaws. In Erie County, city authorities on Tuesday were removing ice and blockages from storm drains ahead of what officials referred to as a rapid melt.
Wow. Drop it all, you won't go to jail. They ran around this house.
Mark Polenkars, executive of Erie County where Buffalo is located, said that 100 military police officers and additional state police were being brought in to help control traffic in the area, where conditions remained ugly on many local roads.
Damn, watch your face.
Buffalo Police Commissioner Joseph Gragmalia said that looting is still going on. 4 people have so far been arrested. This isn't people stealing food and medicine and diapers, he said. They're destroying stores. They're stealing televisions, couches, whatever else they can get their hands on. they're opportunists. On Monday, U.S. President Joe Biden approved an emergency declaration allowing federal support for New York State.
And there's the embankment right there. We cannot even get out. Like, Mama, we're trapping on this bomba terrace.
My heart is with those who lost loved ones this holiday weekend, he tweeted. Neighboring state New Jersey also sent emergency services to New York State to provide further assistance. State Governor Kathy Hochul, a native of Buffalo, described the storm as the blizzard of the century. It is like going to a war zone, and the vehicles along the sides of the roads are shocking. Officials in New York have said that emergency personnel were forced to go from car to car searching for survivors of the storm, sometimes finding bodies in cars and snowbanks. In Canada, the central province of Ontario and northeastern Quebec bore the brunt of the storm. A state of emergency has been declared in Ontario's Prince Edward County, on the shores of Lake Ontario, and he has had to pull snowplows off the streets as they are in danger of tripping, Mayor Steve Ferguson told CBC News. Previously, 4 people were killed when a bus rolled on an icy road near the town of Merritt in western British Columbia. For now, do not forget to subscribe for news developments such as new and current developments. Thank you for listening to me. See you.